Hello friends, this is Ankur Chaudhary. It is glad to meet you again. Earlier I have uploaded many Android applications on calling SMS. Today I am sitting in front of you to discuss on the music player. In music player we have used the coding of file handling to search the songs from the memory card or SD card and then multimedia activity to play the music. Let's see our project. This is our multimedia project, this music player. We have to create a music player. Before creating a music player we have to define its layout. In its layout we have to get a text view on which we have to just input all the songs which we get from the SD card. Let's see its layout. It is our main layout. Till time its main layout will be open. It is our main layout. See, we have created a text view under which I will just write the song list and a scroll view. In a scroll view, so that the number of the songs will be more than our screen, so that it will be scroll over there. And then in the linear layout, I just simply assign the linear layout over here. And for the class, I have made two activities. One to handle the music player activity and other for the play song. In music player activity, I just assign the file handling logic to get all the songs from the SD card. We have the SD card in the emulator like we have the memory card in our real device. The SD card will be opened from the Window Explorer. Just we have to find from here. It is our SD card. Let's check whether it is working. Here we have two songs in the SD card. One the love.mp3 and other this one .mp3. So let us see the logic by which we have just searched out this. It is we just make the main activity. In the main activity I just assign a linear layout under which I assign the path of the SD card, and I am just checking whether it is a directory. If it is a directory, I just call a function show name. In the show name function I just apply the logic that all the files should be input over here, not that only the folders should be coming, all the files should be coming there. I ends the string with .mp3 file, so that all the mp3 files should come in our screen. This logic we can also apply on the search engine, so that we can differentiate all the files that like .mp3, .pdf file to search from our SD card or the memory card in our real device. In next activity I just apply the logic of the music player. In the main activity, I just assign the song name and all that, and I get the path from the last activity using the put data and the guest data extra, so that the one data from the one activity should be transferred to the other activity. Here I just assign the video path, and then using the set media controller class. In this class we just assign the music, which music we have to play over there, using the permission and audio video permission, Android permission audio video over here. So this is the logic for the music player. Here we have to use the seek bar also, so that when the music should be played, the seek bar should move according to it. So we just apply the seek bar logic over here using the thread. We have to use the thread so that two functions are functioning over here simultaneously. One the song should be played, and other the seek bar is playing over here. Okay, so we just use the logic for its time. We just get the time using the method get duration, and then apply it on the seek bar. Let's see whether it is working or not. Before working, we have to just see its Android manifest file. In Android manifest file, we have to assign both the activities which we just created over here. These are the two activities, music player and the play song. In music player, we have just used the search file handling logic, in which we get the songs from the SD card. And in play song, we just apply the logic so that the music player should be play over here. Okay. Then we see the permission. We just give the permission, uses permission, search for the permission over here, that is audio video permission. Let's check where is the audio video permission over here. Android audio video. Let's check the permission for the this is modify audio setting permission. We just use this permission over here. Then save our project. clean the project so that it will be saved properly over here. Now this is our emulator on which we just run our project. Before running on the real device, that is our tab or the cell phone, we just try to run our project on the emulator. Let's check whether it is running on the emulator properly or not. Let's see, this is the Android application. We just run the Android application. Here this APK file is loading over here. If we want to run this project on the real device, we just transfer the APK file from our project to the real device and it will install over there, and this project will run over there. Let's see whether it is working on emulator properly or not. See, here the song list will be coming. This is SD card. This song is coming from over here, and this SD card love.mp3 songs coming from here. So here we have just end the string with .mp3 file, so that all the mp3 files should become over here. Now let us click this song first. So it will assign this in the taskbar. Here our music players should come. Here it is the seek bar. When we play the song, the seek bar will move according to the phone. Here we have got the time. If when we click on the play button, the total time should come over here, and the time of the running would become in the taskbar. Let's check whether it is working or not. Working or not. See, the song would be started, the total time would be coming. If we scroll this bar, we just move. Now the song will be going 55 seconds. In this way we can scroll this and it will automatically also move with the song when the song would be running. If we click this, song will be stopped, and if we click this, song will be fused over here. Then we start the song, it will start from the beginning. Let us suppose song will be here, then we just stop the song over here, we click on the fuse and then resume. The song will be started from over here. Thank you. I hope you got the coding of this media player. Thanks for this activity.